Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Pad 8 Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So, to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top right side of your screen. Now, top meaning relative to how you're holding it right now. And when you do, you get all these toggles right here. Now, we're looking for the Do Not Disturb mode, which actually won't be visible by default as far as I can tell. So we're going to swipe down, and because of that, you will see the edit button. Now, if you don't have one toggle right here, so if it's only, 3 rows, then the edit button is actually visible without scrolling down. Anyway, click on that, and this will show you additional toggles that you can add on, and one of them is the DND, shortly written DND right here, or Do Not Disturb mode. So we're going to click on that plus, it will get added. Additionally, if you want, if it makes it easier for you, you can check the box right here to show these labels in here. As you can see, by default, they're not visible. In any case, that's up to you if you want to turn it on or not. But once you have the toggle added, first time around, you can hold it, and this will quickly take you to the very limited settings, where you can, at the very top, turn it on or off. Check it so it's running only when the device is locked, which is a pretty nice option. As long as you're using the device, it will act as though the mode is turned off even when it's on. And lastly, we have schedule turn on. There is nothing in here, but we can create one. I generally like to create one in cases of this kind of settings right here, where it doesn't give me the option to define what will happen when I press on a toggle. So what I like to do in here is set up single mode that is gonna run, let's just say maybe at like midnight to start to finish 1 minute after, every single day of the week. Now the reason for that is that if we confirm it, it automatically becomes enabled. And reason for that mode is when you turn it on manually, you will also need to remember to turn it off. If you forget about it, it will just run indefinitely. But by setting up something like this schedule right here, even when you forget about it, your device will attempt to turn Do Not Disturb mode at midnight. Now, it's going to be already on, so that doesn't really change much. But a minute later, because the mode is on, it's going to turn it off. So it just gives you a, nice little safety net that when you forget about it, the device does it for you. So now, additionally, as you see me, you can tap on a toggle to turn it on, and you can also tap on it again to turn it off. Just keep in mind, I think whenever it turns off, even through schedule, it does have this annoying sound. So when setting this up, you might want to skip a time period where this sound would be distracting to you or wake you up or something along those lines. So in any case, with that being said, I hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.